Well, good morning, everyone. We are back for more. So today's going to be a better day. I think we all learned some good lessons yesterday after our alignment debacle, and I'm going to apologize. That's why I didn't really talk to you guys much yesterday, and there were such short segments, is because first of all, I've just been laying pipe all day, and then taking it out of the hole, and then relaying it. But we dealt with so many issues yesterday with the laser alignment. I didn't really have time to record a whole lot. So let me kind of walk you guys through what happened. So right there at the very beginning, we had 2 sticks of pipe in, and we had not backfilled them, but we knew they were steady. We knew they were where they needed to be. So we went ahead and put another couple of sticks of pipe on, got our laser set, and then we started our run. Well, the loader came over, and that little mound of sand right there, right at the catch basin, he threw that load of sand down, and he did it very gingerly. Unfortunately, it would have worked better if he had actually been a little more aggressive. Because what happened is he bumped the laser off of alignment. But the laser, it's just like your laser for shooting grade up on the surface. If it gets jostled enough, it will tell you it's out of alignment. But if you don't jostle it enough, it doesn't pick up on the fact that you jostled it. And that's exactly what happened. And unfortunately, if you think about a straight line running a distance, if you jostle it even 1/8 of an inch, by the time you're 200 feet out, you're talking a substantial amount off, like feet. And that's exactly what we found. By the time we got 100 foot out, we were like a foot off to one side. So we were trying to figure out where the discrepancy was, but trying to work back through that process and figure out what happened and where the pipe got off took probably about 45 minutes to kind of hone in on the problem. Fortunately, we had not backfilled this pipe, so we were able to pop it out and just go back and bump our trench really for the last like 60, not even that, 30 feet or so. We had to redig a little bit, but the rest of the pipe we were just able to fit back together and bump over. So that's where we ended up, and then we ended up laying pipe. So yesterday, all in all, everything said and done, we still got 250 foot of pipe laid. So it chaps our ass a little bit because we probably would have gotten this whole running yesterday, which sucks, but it is what it is. These are the lessons you learn when you're on a rookie crew that's never really laid pipe before. So I think we're rocking it for having never done this professionally. As you guys know, I ran loader on a pipe crew, and I watched all of this stuff take place, but that's a whole different animal, and this is why I continue to tell you guys it's so valuable getting down in the hole and doing it when you're starting out in this industry. Because had I laid pipe before, had I spent some time as a pipe layer, I'd know how to do all this instead of it being an in theory type of deal and us kind of fumble through these hard lessons. So, but you know what? We're doing it now. I'm learning the lessons now, and unfortunately it's on Carson's dime, but at the same time, we're all learning. This is a great education for everyone, and we won't make these mistakes again. So all that being said, I'm gonna go get the drone footage that you guys watched last night on the video, and then I'm gonna go get in the seat, and we're gonna go sling some more pipe. So I'll catch you guys here in the machine. All right, guys, getting ready to throw in the first sticks of pipe of the morning here. Got our laser set up and dialed into where it was last night. We will double check our laser here at this 25 foot offset. Stan, where we at? What's that? Okay. So basically we made a note of exactly where on the target the laser was from last night in the pipe. And then when we set our laser up this morning, we matched that perfectly. That'll get us our next couple sticks of pipe and we'll be accurate. And then when we get to this 25 foot offset, we will really hone her in. Well, Colton's rocking the full hillbilly today. I'm digging it. That's hot. Yeah. It's like the village people out here, baby. So it is 80 degrees and like 1,000% humidity, and we're supposed to get up to, I think, 86, 87 today. It's gonna be pretty brutal. Good? Yeah. And now we dig for the next one. So I'm throwing decent backfill material over here so Colton can grab at it later for backfilling pipe. To bump over. The problem is I'm riding right on, you can kind of see here, I'm riding right on the edge of our boulevard here. And so as this edge kind of erodes under the weight of the machine, it keeps pushing me over. So every 5 or 6 sticks of pipe, I have to kind of nudge myself back over again. Well, I'll clean that up in a minute. Ooh, this tooth bucket does so much better in this clay. I can get much more aggressive with my passes. May have bumped over too far, damn it. I did. Well, son of a biscuit. All right, I'm gonna shut you guys off because we're about to grade. You've seen this part, and we're gonna check for plumb on our laser line, and that's gonna take a little bit. So I will fire you guys up a little later on today when we make a little more progress here. All right, guys, we are done with lunch. And this steak right in front of me here is my catch basin we're going into, so we're dead nuts on it. So after all of our fuckery yesterday with the laser, we finally know what we're doing. So the guys were cool with me taking a minute to throw my drone in the air. In fact, they encouraged it. So we took a minute to do that. So we got some triple cam action for you, which I know everyone appreciates and enjoys. So this run was 463 feet. We have laid over 200 feet of pipe today. And it is 1 o'clock and we just got done taking a half-hour lunch. So, and we realistically didn't start laying pipe until about 8:30, 8:45. So not too bad. Again, we're a rookie pipe crew. I think we're making damn good time for what we're doing here. Make a basket, we got to pull her back up. Are you good? Good? Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, that's it for the drone.
What's the flight time on that?
Half hour if it's got a full battery, but this didn't have a full battery. All right, guys, we're getting ready to set this catch basin finally. It's been a lot of just small things that have been taking forever. Basically, we've got a little bit of a bell on this. It's gonna fit right inside our catch. And from there, we'll set the top right over it. That way we don't have to worry about messing with the top or cutting the side of the catch basin. We need a rubber. You got one?
Yeah.
So if we did our measurements right, this should all come together nicely. And if we didn't, well, we'll do it again.
Right now, what I want you to do is go ahead and put that end into that end.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Carson's on site, so we're gonna do our job right.
Do your job that you've been doing
Yeah.
400 some feet.
That's right.
Don't let me get
Hey, Carson. Hey, Carson. What's that? Ready to drive her home? That's right. And it's the final one, so you get to take full credit for all 436 feet. Well, let me get a position. Is it seated?
Yup, seated, waiting for it to line it up. Don't worry about elevation, just line it up on the plane. Pretty big job when you get down this way. Yeah. We'll start dancing in a second if you want.
Pull it out, Carson. Pull it out. When Carson comes to work, everything comes to a stop. Yeah, why not? Whoop!
Probably back towards zero touch, stick down.
We like it?
Not sealed at the bottom. You gotta grout that in. No, it's not. This is rubbing here on the top, so the whole top, literally this whole end, I can stick my hand on it. No, it's metal.
Can we come your way anymore? Or are we off the cookie?
Yeah, we go that way like an egg. Lift it up.
So take your cutoff saw. This is one of those times you don't f around. Take your cutoff saw and hollow that baby out. So we ain't doing this 3 times. So you cut notches and then sledge it.
So set it up if you can somewhere, and then like try to roll it back so it's more flat, so we're not holding that saw upside down.
Is there anything else you'd like?
Well, I just think it'll run itself out of control.
I don't know. Just saying it. You're awful needy when you come out here.
It's a lot easier on the computer.
Yeah. Where do you want it, Ryan?
They don't want me to slide it because I think it's gonna break. There's enough that I don't want it to like send a crack through the whole side of it.
All we gotta do is cut a couple inches in on the outside and then just chip that out because it's not the whole thing.
Clear it over here.
Boy, we got a lot of foremen on this job all of a sudden.
I kinda need the chop saw now.
Yeah, don't smash the chop saw.
You curl in so we can use the swivel.
Well, you got me all tucked in. I can't really do anything here. Move that chop saw and I'll set it up there.
Or actually stop, yeah, just set it right there. Just let half of it hang off. Roll over.
You have to just muscle it.
Alright, now go over. Alright, now go down. Yeah, just go down.
Yeah, that's gonna shift. You.
It starts sliding now.
I'll tell you what I can do. Hang on, Carson. Oh, never mind.